how to make fight in Infinite Craft. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can make a fight in Infinite Craft. So without any further ado and without any delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to create fight in Infinite Craft, here I have a formula on the right hand side. We will simply use this. We'll combine water and fire to create a steam and fire to create an engine and earth to create a tractor, fire and wind together to create smoke and smoke itself to create a cloud, then engine and cloud to create a jet, tractor and jet we will combine and it will create a tank, then tank plus jet is again going to combine and create a war plus fire is going to create a battle, and again war plus battle is going to create a fight. And this way you can create fight in Infinite Craft. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.